The new First Aid Hair Repair Kit is finally here, and I got my hands on a couple products. The first one, the Vitamin Drop Serum. It smells amazing, it's lightweight, and it boosts hair growth. This is one of my favorites. My other favorite is the Edge Control. Everyone knows I don't leave the house without my edges laid, so this one is one of my favorites because it's infused with argan oil and promotes hair growth and keeps my hair laid all day.
Not only is the Edge Control created for all hair types, but it produces a firm hold all day without leaving your hair flaky. It's infused with argan oil, adds shine and softness while moisturizing and promoting hair growth. The vegan-friendly formula will ensure that you get the best results. Certain styles we do on our hair can definitely put damage on them, so I love to use the Vitamin Drop oils on days that I am styling my hair. I also use it right before bed, massage it into my scalp, and make sure that my hair is growing all day and all night.